Hi all. So today, as you see, as the title suggests, that we are going to draw a simple rose. It's a sketch of a plain rose. So let's start. So first, as you see, I started from the top, sketching out the petals. It's easier for beginners to start from the spiral which you see in the center, and then go on to draw the basic outlines, so that I can make a small video. I had in the beginning drawn a very rough sketch. So now the leaves. Next, as we finish the sketch, we are going to shade it a little bit. Just to make the video small, we cannot do a intricate or a detailed shading. So the sketch is all done. Now let's move on to the shading part. Well, now starting with the shading. So it's a close-up, and you should shade very light-handedly. It's a very basic. I'm not going into the details of the pattern. I'm keeping it quite easy so that it is quite helpful for beginners. And it's a normal pencil, the HB1. The APSARA Platinum Extra Dark version. And it's a normal A4 size sheet. If we take a special paper or use charcoal pencils, the sketching would definitely be more well defined. So that's it. It's done. A simple, easy one. Thank you so much for watching, and stay happy, stay safe. Take care. Till then, next time we meet. Bye.